Hey YouTube, it's Alicia. I'm finna come and show you a healthy recipe, and all you need is 3 strawberries and a little bit of honey. Or if you did not want to use honey, some grime cinnamon. So yeah, so this is a recipe I actually do this. You can do this 2 different ways, but the way I'm going to show you is totally different. And so I'm first cutting off the greenery part and stuff. So as y'all see, I'm very carefully pushing this back before I cut, and I cut at a certain angle. And same with here. And what we're going to do is we're going to slice the strawberries. Now these strawberries, you can get strawberries, you can get fresh strawberries at your local produce, at your local Kroger. So I'll let me go and cut these up. But this is one of my favorite snack combinations I like to eat when I'm at home. But yeah, so yeah, I wanted to come and show y'all some healthy snack ideas. I will try to do that and stuff. So we have your second strawberry all cut up. So we have a bit that we have to cut. So we have those. You can do this with any fruit, but I would advise to do this with strawberries. So we're through with that. And let me just leave that right there. So that is the strawberries. And so what I'm going to do, I am going as a, let's see what we're going to use today. We're just going to use, strawberries already have a natural sweetness to it, but this is like raw honey. We're gonna take a little bit of honey and we're just gonna take a tad bit of cinnamon, and you get a cinnamon, a honey cinnamon strawberry. This is a good snack and thing, but that's how it looks, and it's good. And I will say you can eat it with a spoon, or a fork. But yeah, but I say eat it with a fork. But that is it. If you love me showing y'all how to get some really good healthy snack using fruit, please thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.